In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. If your PS5 keeps saying can't connect to the internet or you're not seeing the Xfinity sign-in page, don't worry, we've got you covered. But before connecting your PS5, make sure you have an active Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. Your pass is not expired, you're within range of Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot, and you have already received your confirmation email from Xfinity. The service provides hotspot access through the Xfinity Wi-Fi network and supports multiple devices. After that, you need to connect the PS5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi. So open Settings, select Network, choose Settings, and select Setup Internet Connection. And wait for available networks to load, and then choose Xfinity Wi-Fi. If the connection fails immediately, continue to the next step, which is trigger the Xfinity login page. Because PS5 doesn't have a traditional web browser, the Xfinity sign-in page often won't appear automatically. Many users report that authentication is the main obstacle when using public hotspot services on PS5. So the workaround is connect your PS5 temporarily to a mobile hotspot, send yourself a message containing the web link, for example, www.youtube.com, and open the message on your PS5. Leave the browser window available or pinned. Users have reported that after switching back to Xfinity Wi-Fi and refreshing this page, the Xfinity Now login portal appears, allowing them to authenticate successfully. And then, if that works, sign in to Xfinity Now Wi-Fi. Enter your Now Wi-Fi pass credentials, complete any verification prompt, and wait for the confirmation screen, and return to network settings. I want you to run the test network internet connection. Your PS5 should now show the internet connection successful, PlayStation Network sign-in successful, and of course, if your PS5 still won't connect, forget and reconnect the network settings. Remove the Save Xfinity network, reconnect and try it again. Or if you want, restart the PS5, turn the Wi-Fi off and on, and reconnect to Xfinity Wi-Fi. Also, you can connect a phone or laptop to Xfinity Wi-Fi first and confirm that your Now Wi-Fi pass is active, because Xfinity's hotspot login system is designed around browser-based authentication. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you connect PS5 to Xfinity Now Wi-Fi Pass. You also have to update the PS5 software by going to the Settings, System Software Update, install any available updates, and hopefully that appears automatically. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.